Jeff at TotalValueRV.com. We have another pre-owned gem for you. It's a 2003 American Coach American Eagle 40W. This is a beautiful unit. It has 22.5-inch tires with these aluminum rims. See the American Eagle logo there. It has box style patio awnings. Manual awnings over the windows. And look at this. This is great for the motorcycle enthusiast. Hydraulic motorcycle lift that pulls up out of the way when you're not in use. It's got built-in ratchet straps here. Here's the compartments on the driver's side. Electrical. LP tank. Slide out tray. Some storage there. A water station. Storage for the power cord. And the side radiator. It's got these nice bus style mirrors. Very distinctive front end. And here's the compartments on the passenger side. Outside entertainment. 2 slide trays. A little storage here. All with the bus style top lift doors. Here's the battery compartment, very clean. And some of your maintenance items. Has a single step and with chrome trim, a stylized American Coach screen door. Nice steps here with a slide out step cover. I'll show you what the slides in. Beautiful dash area. Speakers above. Drop down TV. Flat panel. Oversized passenger chair for comfort. This is what the slides in. All the way back to the bathroom. So we're inside the American Eagle 40W 2003, and it's running. The ACs are running, the generator's running. You can tell it's pretty quiet. We have dual recliners here, solid surface countertops, convection microwave, cooktop, stainless steel sinks, a dinette with 2 chairs and a sofa bed. Here's your restroom, shower. The seat, mirrors all the way through, fantastic fan. And here's the bedroom, flat panel TV, combo washer and dryer. by Splendide. $56,006 miles. So again, a 2003 American Coach American Eagle 40W, which can be yours for $79,900 at totalvaluerv.com. Just look for stock number 43096. Thanks for watching.